Town, and we are at the beginning of the stretch. And so I'm gonna give you guys a tour. This is a waterfront. I'm gonna try to find a parking space so that, guys, I can take you on a tour. I mean, I won't go through, you know, the whole town because the sun ain't normal. Oh my, I could have parked over there. So yes, I'm going to turn back and then park over there. So this is Georgetown. This is the capital city. I wonder if I can go in this street here. Thank you. So I'm just going to take you guys to view the city. Town center, actually. This place is so packed, you know? So just gonna go this way. And as you guys know, I just moved here not so long ago, and so I don't know everywhere. I don't know a lot of places, and so as I make this video, I am actually learning. So apparently this is like the Heroes Park. I'm going to take some shots over there, but I need to find out where I can park. Yeah, that's what I need to find out. And then as soon as I find that out, then we're good to go. I wonder if I can park over here and not get a ticket. So funny. I don't know where to park. So taxi parking only. Taxi parking only. Alright, so I'm circling the area. Going around in circles so I can find a parking space. Alright guys, so we are apparently here in the Cayman Islands, and this monument that you see here is the Caymanian catboat from 1904. You can see right there. So apparently there's a lot of things there to see. Honorable Dr. Roy Edison MacTaggart. Famous for something, right? Yeah. And this is apparently the Wall of Honor. They have here in the center. It's another Wall of Honor. It's very interesting out here, guys. It's very interesting. Alright, let me take you over to this spot. Apparently that's the library across the road. That's the library. 1939. Maritime Heritage Memorial Rangers and unknown ships. Maritime Heritage, War and Merchant ships. The sculpture. This statue is just epic. Like, it's crazy. You know, this elderly lady passing on some kind of information on a paper to a younger lady who is holding a globe in her hand. Or you'd say the world, right? Yeah. Alright, and then I'm gonna go over here, final spot for the monuments. I'm not sure if I should walk over here. Honorable Civil Joyce Hilton, remembered for her outstanding commitment to youth. She was a Cayman Islands first probation and welfare officer and a lifelong advocate for disadvantaged people. Honorable Desmond Vere Wattler. He was respected for by all as an exemplary citizen and exceptional civil servant. Honorable Sybil Lone McLaughlin. Yeah. And then finally, James Bodden, and Bodden is quite a popular name in the Cayman Islands. Okay guys, so we're walking in the town center. Hopefully I can keep a steady hand to document.
All we do here is go back.
That's the Cayman Islands post office across the street. There's some shops. First Caribbean Bank over there. And we are approaching Victoria's Secret and Mac. Let's just walk this strip. See what we can find. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys to the waterfront. These are just local shops on this stretch. Sharky's. It's a famous restaurant right there. Alright, so this is the town. Georgetown. Welcome to the Cayman Islands. Let's cross over and see what's there. To the Cayman Islands. Alright, so this is the waterfront. I don't know, it's restricted, so can't enter without permission. So I'm just gonna walk on this stretch. Yeah. I didn't realize. center. So guys, this is the National Museum. Yeah, this is the National Museum. One day we'll give you a tour of the inside. A tour of the inside one day. In this area. There's some shopping district, Bayshore Mall. Alright, let's walk along this corridor and see what we'll see. Alright guys, across the street is Atlantis Submarines, and I'm going to attach a subtitle or some subtitle. I'm going to attach some information as it relates to the shuttle for this. Alright, we are turning back. Hey guys, we just completed a segment of the Cayman Islands tour, and so what you have seen in the videos is a segment of Georgetown, the capital of Cayman Islands.